everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to use quotation marks in Grammarly. First, ensure you have Grammarly installed. Open a new document and type your text. When quoting, use quotation marks before and after the quoted text. Grammarly tracks punctuation as you type and offers correction. Remember, if you are quoting within a quote, use single inside double quotation mark. Grammarly also helps with punctuation's placement. That's it. With Grammarly, quotes will be perfectly punctuated. If you found this helpful, thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Happy writing.